We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Integral Calculus, and the problem is based on the concept of definite integral. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 26th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is, let f of x is equal to maximum of mod of x plus 1, mod of x plus 2, mod of x plus 3, mod of x plus 4, mod of x plus 5. Then the integral minus 6 to 0 of f of x dx is equal to, we are given a function f of x as maximum of mod of x plus 1, mod of x plus 2, mod of x plus 3, mod of x plus 4, mod of x plus 5. Required to find the integral minus 6 to 0 of f of x with respect to x. That is our given question, and this question is better understood by a diagram. That means we will draw the graphs of these functions in the interval minus 6 to 0. This is our x-axis, and minus 6 to 0, 0 to on the y-axis 5. Agreed. We take first of all how this mod of x plus 1 will be there, will be in the interval minus 6 to 0. Mod of x plus 1. Now, in the interval minus 6 to minus 1, x plus 1 is negative. Therefore, modulus of that is minus x minus 1. From minus 1 to 0, it is positive. Therefore, it is x plus 1. So, how this will be? This will be minus x minus 1 decreases from 5 to 0. So, when you put for x is equal to minus 6, it is plus 6 minus 1, that is 5, and it decreases up to 0. So, it decreases and increases from 0 to 1. From 0, if you put x is equal to minus 1, it is 0. If you put x is equal to 0, it is 1. So, it increases from 0 to 1, decreases from 5 to 0, decreases from 5 to 0, and increases from 0 to 1. So, when increasing, it is x plus 1. When it is decreasing, minus x minus 1. Likewise, the others we draw. Mod of x plus 2 will be in the interval minus 6 to minus 2, it is negative. Therefore, minus x minus 2. In the interval minus 2 to 0, it is positive. Therefore, it is x plus 2. And it decreases from 4 to 0 and increases 0 to 2. Decreases from 4 to 0 and increases 0 to 2. And it is x plus 2 increasing, decreasing minus x minus 2. Mod of x plus 3 will be minus x minus 3 in the interval minus 6 less than or equal to x less than minus 3, and in the interval minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, it is x plus 3. Decreases from 3 to 0 and increases from 0 to 3. So, right. For x plus 4, similarly, it decreases from 2 to 0 and increases from 0 to 4. 0 to 4. So, mod of x plus 5 likewise decreases from 1 to 0, increases 0 to 5. and this is the diagram, this is the graph of it, not to scale, it is a graph. Agreed. So now we discuss further in the next slide. Agreed. That is what we have done so far. And now what is f of x? F of x is maximum of mod of x plus 1, mod of x plus 2, mod of x plus 3, mod of x plus 4, mod of x plus 5. Agreed. The maximum we have to take. Look at the diagram. Now from minus 6 to 3, minus 3, in this the maximum is minus x minus 1. The maximum is minus x minus 1 in the domain minus 6 to minus 3. And from minus 3 to 0, in this, the maximum is x plus 5. The maximum is x plus 5. So that is equal to minus x minus 1 in the interval, minus 6 less than or equal to x less than minus 3 here. This is the x minus 1. And x plus 5 in the interval minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. So in this interval, this is the maximum is x plus 5. So now the integral is to be calculated. Integral minus 6 to 0 f of x, where f of x is maximum, and it is to be broken into two pieces. In the first integral is minus 6 to minus 3. In that, the maximum is minus x minus 1 with respect to x, plus in the interval minus 3 to 0, it is x plus 5, minus 3 to 0, x plus 5 dx. This is the maximum in this interval. Now, it is a simple integration and substituting the limits, upper limit and lower limit. And the integral is minus x square by 2 minus x to be evaluated from x is equal to minus 6 to minus 3. And this is x square by 2 plus 5x to be evaluated from x is equal to minus 3 to 0. For the upper limit, it is minus 9 by 2 plus 3 for the upper limit. For the lower limit, it is 36 by 2 minus 6. Yes, it is minus 6. Here, in the second bracket, for the upper limit, it is 0. For the lower limit, 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2, because we are calculating the lower limit, minus 9 by 2 plus 15. Agreed. Now, simplification. After simplification, we find it is 21. Therefore, that is the answer to this question. That is integral minus 6 to 0 f of x dx is the answer is 21, where f of x is the maximum of these things in the interval minus 6 to 0. So, that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem on the definite integral from integral calculus. It is definitely a good question, and you will get the idea, this idea of the calculating the maximum if you draw this kind of a diagram and see it in a proper way. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.